Hello everyone and welcome to College Royals DIY Crafts. So today we'll be making popsicle stick tractors. I will be making green and red tractors. For the purpose of the video, I will only be making the green tractor, but I will be making the red one on the side to show you the final result as well. However, it's the same step no matter what color tractor you do. It could be red, green, blue, yellow, whatever you choose. So you'll need first 7 full popsicle sticks for the bottom of the tractor, and then you're going to need 5 popsicle sticks that will eventually be cut for the top of the tractor. Now we'll separate the popsicle sticks into 2 different piles. In my right hand, there's 7 popsicle sticks, and in my left hand, there's 5. So first we're going to need the 7 popsicle sticks for the bottom half of the tractor. Just line them up nicely, and you will need to glue them together. I personally used a hot glue gun. However, you can use a glue stick or liquid glue or any other type of adhesive. If you are going to use a hot glue gun, please let your parent or guardian do this part for you, as hot glue guns can be dangerous and are very, very hot, so please be careful. I'll be gluing these sticks together, all 7 of them, and I'll be back with you guys to show you the result of that. So here we are, guys, all 7 of the popsicle sticks glued together. Now you're going to grab one of the popsicle sticks from the group of 5 that is needed for the top half of the tractor, and you're going to grab either a pen or a Sharpie. I grabbed a Sharpie because it'd be easier to see. And you're going to find the halfway point of the popsicle stick, and then you're going to go about a centimeter or so after that, and it should be about 3/4 of the way, and you're going to mark up all the rest of the popsicle sticks at that point. Once you have marked all the popsicle sticks at that point, you will grab a pair of scissors and ask a parent or guardian to help you with this part because it is quite difficult to cut through these popsicle sticks, but you will need to grab a pair of scissors and cut the popsicle sticks right where you marked them. And please be careful because the popsicle sticks may fly, just like it did right now. As you can see, all the 5 pieces have been cut, and they've been cut even where they were rounded, so on both sides to make it nice and flat. And so you will take all of these and you will line them up just like you did with the previous 7, and you will glue them on top of these 7 already glued together popsicle sticks. Again, please be careful when using a hot glue gun. Let your parent or guardian do this for you, or use a glue stick or liquid glue or any other adhesive, because hot glue guns can be dangerous, so please be careful. Now to create the windows of the tractor as well as the wheels, we will need a blue felt or really any color you'd like, and for the wheels we'll need a black and yellow felt. For the blue felt, just draw a nice rectangular shape with a slight angle to create the front window, and then just a nice small narrow rectangle to create the back window. Once you have drawn out the windows to your desired shape, you can cut them out and place them to the side. Once you've finished cutting out your windows, you can go ahead and place them to the side, and then go ahead and grab the black and yellow felt. We're going to start off with the black felt to cut the outer portion of the wheel. So I took it and I kind of compared it to the popsicle sticks to see what size wheel I would like. Make sure that the back wheel, which is the wheel we're cutting right now, is larger than the front wheel. And so I cut out a nice square piece from the felt and kind of just cut the corners and rounded the edges a little bit to make it into a nice big wheel. Once you've cut that big wheel out, you can go ahead and place it onto the tractor just to see if it's a good size. And then you can go ahead and grab another piece of the black felt to cut your smaller wheel. I also did the same thing as the other wheel. I just grabbed a smaller square, or more so a rectangle this time, and kind of compared it to the tractor and again cut out a smaller circle for the front wheel. Once you've cut out both the wheels, you can go ahead and grab your yellow felt and just place the black wheels on top just to get an approximate idea of how much you need to cut and like how big the square needs to be. Now the yellow is going to go inside of the black circles, so make sure that the circle that you are cutting out from the yellow felt is in fact smaller than the black wheels that you have on your tractor right now. So once you've cut out your first wheel, so for the back wheel, you can go ahead and do the same thing for the front wheel. Cut out a nice square from your yellow felt, and then go ahead and cut a circle again, smaller than the one that you have cut before with the black felt, so it can fit on the inside, just as you see with that back wheel. Once you're done cutting out the wheels, place it on top of the black wheel that you've previously cut to make sure that it is at the appropriate size. And then go ahead and grab the windows that you have already cut and place them on top of the tractor anywhere you like. I was just testing out a couple ways, seeing if I like them separate or together, but you can choose however you'd like to place them. So I placed them separately, and then I grabbed a piece of black felt, and then I cut that small strip off. You don't need much, and I'm going to be cutting out kind of like a little pipe for the front of the tractor. You can do any shape you'd like. Mine was a little more complex, but you can just cut a rectangle with a little spout, and that is good enough. So as you can see, I have my pipe ready to go, and that will be placed behind the tractor, and there you have it. Now I'm going to grab my hot glue gun. Again, please be careful, guys. Let a parent or guardian use the hot glue gun, as it can be dangerous as it's very hot. Or you can use a glue stick or liquid glue or any other adhesive, but if you are using a hot glue gun, please be careful. And there we have it, the final result, and there is a red tractor again for reference, and it's done the exact same way.